Lava is still gushing out of Hawaii's Kilauea volcano and has reached as far as the Pacific Ocean. 6 huge fissures sent rivers of molten rock through a blackened volcanic wilderness that was once jungle, farmland and rural homes. Kilauea, one of the world's most active volcanoes, entered the 4th week of what may be an unprecedented simultaneous eruption at its summit crater and along a 9.7-kilometre string of fissures. Geologists say the volcano has now entered a steady state of eruption. While a roughly 26-square-kilometre area of the Puna district has been ravaged, authorities stress the eruption was having limited effects on the island that is a major tourist destination.